Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is towards the Friendship Express collaboration, and as you may know, every second weekend of the month we do a theme, and this month's theme is steampunk. Now I've got no moulds whatsoever to do with steampunk. I actually didn't even know what it was really about until I started doing resin, and I see a lot of videos on steampunk. So I didn't have any moulds, so I thought, do you know what, I'm going to make one. So off camera I made this steampunk mould, and I'm going to pour it today, and tomorrow I'm going to demould it, and that's when you will see what it is. If you can't tell already, I'm hoping it's worked. This mould I made about a week ago, so it is ready to use, and this mould was made using the usual BB Dino transparent mould making kit, the silicone rubber. It's my favourite by far, to be fair, out of the ones I've tried. So I'm sticking to what I know. I don't like change, and if it's not broken, don't fix it. And I'm happy with this. So I'm going to get mixing. And the only colour I'm going to be using right now is the Let's Resin Chrome Powder in holographic silver. So that is all I'm going to be using right now. And I don't know how much resin this mould's going to take. So I may even have enough to fill up Wolfie by the time I finish, because you know I always make up over. But this collaboration is organised by Susie at Serendipity Resin Creations, Tina at Pour Resin and Love, and of course the lovely Sally from All Aboard Resin Creations. And I'm so happy to be part of it. They've been really, really great with me since my mum passed, and I can't thank them enough. So I'm really happy to be part of this collaboration. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to go and get mixing, and I will bring you back when it is ready to pour. I'll see you soon. Hi guys, well, I've mixed up 400 mils of resin, and I've added what I had left of the holographic silver, and there wasn't enough. It was making it really see-through still, so I added some of the Estonia colour silver grey. So it probably won't be as holographic, but I needed it to be more opaque than it was. So I've given it a really good mix because it had a lot of powder go into it, and I'm just going to pour. I don't want to use alcohol in a handmade mould, it ruins them. So I'm just going to pour a little bit, and hopefully I can bang it around and spin it around and help it get into all those little creases and details, because there's quite a bit of detail in these things. Let's just fill it up. I think we are going to have just about enough once I use my magic scraper on this jar, on this jug I mean. So it took about 400 mils. That is a big mould. I'm just going to give it a bit of a squeeze. I know I've made a mess, but there's so much detail in this mould. So I'm hoping it'll get into all the little nooks and crannies. But hopefully I've helped it a little bit. Now I'm just going to find, I'll probably use my usual little flower mould. Make little magnets or brooches out of these flower moulds from Into Resin. And if you want one of these, they are absolutely beautiful. But if you go on the website, you can use my code, which is SCBM, so Renee Class by Maria, 20, and you'll get 20% off Into Resin. And I've had quite a few people take up on that, and they love that discount. So if you're going to order anywhere, you might as well use that and get 20% off. You might be able to get yourself another mould with your savings. So I'm also an affiliate with Diction, Resiners, Let's Resin, and my code is always SCBM, followed by, if it's 10%, 10, 15%, 15, and 20%, 20. So it's always followed by those numbers. I think Let's Resin and Diction are 10%, I believe. I think Resiners is 15%, so it's SCBM 15, and so on. So I haven't even got enough to fill that up because that took nearly 400 mils. But now I know, I'll write it on there in permanent marker when it's all demoulded. And that's me done for now. It's going to be a quickish video. I was actually going to make this mould on the actual video. So you see the mould making, then you see me pouring it, and then you see me demoulding it. However, we have to keep our times quite short on a weekend with a collaboration because we run, that's why it's called the Friendship Express, because we run one after the other. So we have to keep our times down on the weekend collaborations, as it's not fair on the next person. So I decided to do this as off camera, and it'll be a nice surprise when I reveal it. And once it is demoulded, I have got to do a little bit of work to it to get it how I want it. So I don't know how long that's going to take. So I decided to do the mould making off camera, as I've got loads of mould making videos so far. There will be more because it's one of my favourite things to do, to be fair. But for this video, you didn't need to see the mould making process. I will get cleaned up, or finish getting cleaned up, and I will bring you back when it is time to do mould. I'll see you soon. Hi guys, welcome back. It's all cured and ready to demould, but that needs topping up, so I won't be demoulding that one. But this will be demoulded. Here it comes. And that is my new mould of a steampunk skull. It's actually come out really well. I like that. Right, and I'm going to highlight all the details, and I'm going to do it in a gold or bronze or even both. Diction or Let's Resin pen, whichever I choose first. And I'll show you the end result soon.
Welcome to Serenity Crafts by Maria, where creativity flows free like the sea, with resin dreams and aqua cast light. We're creating something beautiful tonight. Crafting is my therapy, it sets me free. Every little project tells a story. Come along and learn with me in this world of...
Right guys, that's him done. My steampunk skull. I did it in the Let's Resin chrome marker and the Posca black ultra fine tip. And I've just coloured in his eye and inside the cogs and in between his teeth. And the rest is this. I think it's the bronze one of the Let's Resin chrome marker. It was the first one I picked up at the Let's Resin Diction. I like them both equally. And that's my steampunk collaboration piece for the Friendship Express collab. I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you like this little fella. I absolutely love him, and I'm absolutely in love with my new mould. So you'll probably see a few more of him. I might even make him a girlfriend. So, oh yeah, with a pink or a purple metallic pen would be good. But yeah, that's me done. I hope you enjoyed this. Take care of yourself, guys. Bye.
Serenity crafts